Hello students, we are going to solve some more numericals of thermodynamics. As you can see, the question is calculate standard enthalpy of the reaction, and the reaction is this. Now standard enthalpy, when they say, it is delta H naught, okay, which is equal to enthalpy, sum of the enthalpy of product minus sum of the enthalpies of reactant. Okay. Now we will use this formula to solve the equation, to solve the numerical. Okay. So what we will do is, we are going to write here now product. Where is the product? This is the product. Fe and carbon dioxide is formed. So I have to write here coefficient 2, okay, into enthalpy of formation of Fe I will write, then plus 3 into enthalpy of formation of CO2 I will write, then minus, now I begin with the sum of the enthalpy of products, reactants. Okay. So I will write here now for the reactants, I would write it is enthalpy of formation of, okay, Fe2O3, fine, plus I would write 3 into enthalpy of formation of CO, fine. Now it is very simple, we will just substitute the values and we will be able to find out the answer for it. Okay. See, 2 multiply by enthalpy of Fe. Now see, the enthalpy of an element which is present in its free state, enthalpy of the element which is present in its free state, in its standard state, is 0. So enthalpy of an element, okay, is 0. Remember this point. Now I write here 2 multiply by 0, okay, then plus 3 multiply by carbon dioxide's formation enthalpy is given, and it is minus 393. Okay. Then this minus I am writing here. What is the enthalpy of formation of Fe2O3? Yes, it is given. So minus 824. Then I write plus 3, I wrote 3 multiply by enthalpy of formation of CO. Now what is the value of enthalpy of formation of CO? It is given that it is minus 110. Okay. So now let us solve this. 2 into 0 is 0, then 3 multiply by this, when you will do, you will be getting here minus 1179, and yes, here we are going to solve minus 824 and plus into minus 330 we will get. So we are going to get minus 1179 minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus 330. So when you are going to solve this, you will be getting answer as minus 25 kilojoules. So the enthalpy change for the above reaction is this. What you have to remember is, the formula is sum of the enthalpies of product minus sum of the enthalpies of reactant. Okay. So this numerical is that calculate the amount of work done in A. We shall solve A first. Okay. When the oxidation of 1 mole of HCl at 200 degrees centigrade according to the reaction. Now we should know first of all what is the reaction of oxidation of HCl. So I write here HCl gas, okay, plus oxygen gas, because oxidation means addition of oxygen, and we will be getting Cl2 gas plus we are getting H2O gas. Okay. Now we shall balance this equation. Without balancing we cannot proceed. Fine. Now when you balance this equation, what you have to remember is you have to keep 1 mole of HCl. Okay. So if I have to keep 1 mole of HCl, I'll have to keep here half. Okay. Now if you look at the reaction very carefully, oxygen is 1. Okay. So I'll have to write here half. Fine. So if I write here half, then oxygen is balanced. But what about hydrogen? So in this case, I will have to see to it that I balance hydrogen also. So it can be balanced by writing here as half. Okay. So then it becomes 1. But what about oxygen? Okay. So I'll have to write here 1 by 4th. Fine. It is 1 by 4th. Now I will find out what is the value of delta N. Delta N is number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. Okay. Now number of moles of product, if you see, it is half plus half, this half plus this half, minus 1 plus 1 by 4. Okay. 1 plus 1 by 4 it would be. Now when you solve this, you will be getting 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 upon 2 is 1, minus 4 into 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 upon 4. Okay. So when you are going to solve this, what are you going to get is 4 minus 5 upon 4 is equal to minus 1 upon 4. That is, you are getting minus 0.25 mole. Now it becomes easy to solve work done, to calculate work done. Okay. W is equal to minus delta nRT. So the value of delta N is minus 0.25. R we have to remember 8.314. Okay. And temperature over here it is given 200. So you add 273 to it, it becomes 473. Students, mind the units also. It is mole, it is joule per Kelvin per mole, and it is Kelvin. So when you solve, you will be getting answer as plus 983 joules.